Quiet.
Welcome to our classroom. We are going to sing songs that we have learned all year long. We are now going to do the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand up. Look at the window. Point to the purple wall. That's your right hand. Put it on your chest. Look at the flag. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the